Madam Speaker, I want to stick to the report because this is important for the country.
Please go, stick to the report.
In January, about a month ago, State House came back to Parliament requesting to increase its budget by 234.75 billion for classified expenditure. You obedient MPs approved it, bringing the total State House budget for this financial year to 686.6 billion. They have come back again with another request of 367 billion, which, if you approve, will bring State House 2024-25 financial year's budget to 1 trillion, even before the year has ended. If we divide this money by the number of days in a year, it means the country is spending 2.8 billion on the residence of our dear president and his dear wife daily, 120 billion per hour, 120 million and 2 million per second. In these 2 minutes that I am speaking to you, the president and Mama have already spent about $500 million. Honorable members, you also need to take note that classified expenditure has become the code for siphoning taxpayers' money. State House was given 8 billion for classified in the budget.
Order.
There is an order for every sentence.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Right Honorable Speaker. Right Honorable Speaker, you have clearly guided that His Excellency the President, General Kaguta Museveni, is not a vote. Is Honorable Sembuju therefore in order to continue speaking about the President as if he's the vote? Can you please stick to State House or President's office? Is he in order to insist and continue misleading this House, misleading himself?
Report.
Honorable members, you also need to take note
Yes.
that classified expenditure has become the code for siphoning taxpayers' money.
Honorable members, you're now.
Madam Speaker, I have looked at the report and the wording of that report. It lacks the decorum of this House, with due respect. Number two, if you look at what my colleague had previously submitted here, it also brings in the accounting officer here in question, and at the same time is lumping it to the head of state as a person. Because, for instance, Madam Speaker, he clearly gives a day, a minute, a second. These figures cannot be accepted and equated to the head of state. Madam Speaker, moving on the point of procedure, is the Honorable Sembuju Nganda procedurally right to continue misleading and giving irrelevant report which does not conform to the decorum is discussed? Is it procedurally right?
Honorable members, the more you continue interjecting, you're giving him relevance. Let him finish his report. Let him finish his report. Then we'll go to vote by vote. Listen.
You see, the trouble...
It is a minority report. You cannot reject a minority report. Why don't you read the rules?
You see,
Can you finish your report?
yeah, but you see,